you only need 3 ads run locally to hit $50,000 a month. And this is not theory. This has helped over 300 videographers, content agencies, and marketing agencies that I've personally worked with. And the ones that are winning right now have all 3 ads in this order that I'm going to break down for you in this video. And I'm going to break down and show you exactly what they look like and how you could dial this in. First things first, if you're just relying on referrals, you are screwed. That's literally gambling. You don't have a business. That's crazy. If you're just sending cold DMs, you're even more screwed than relying on referrals. You need to run local Instagram ads. They absolutely print. And you only need 3 of them to hit $50,000 a month. It's pretty simple. And so let's dive into the 3 that you need to run. And so if you're watching this and you're like, why should I run local instead of national? Well, first things first, your local ads in a 25-mile radius do way more damage. That same avatar, your ideal avatar, will see you over and over and over 5 times more than they would if you ran it in the US, right? All over the US, that you're now competing with tens of millions of people seeing it versus 1 or 2 million people seeing it, depending on the city you're actually in. And so you can literally cut your customer acquisition costs in half, and you can build way more trust because people want to build and pay other people that are local that they can literally shake their hands with and know that, hey, I trust this guy. He's in my city. He understands exactly where we're trying to take over. And the crazy part is when you do this the right way, you can literally set up a system today and start waking up to leads tomorrow in your city that actually need your service. And you don't need a big budget to start. You don't need a big budget whatsoever. Literally like Trevor, one of my clients who's absolutely printing right now. First 25 days in the program, spent $400 on ads, made $22,000 cash back, $26,000 contracted. Insane. And so let me show you how you can get those kind of results for yourself. So 3 ads. You need to create these 3 ads in a very specific order. And this first one is the one we're about to dive into right now. This is a pain point ad. And I will break down what that looks like. But you need to follow these in this order in order to actually get results in the right way. And so you can't skip steps with these top of funnel ads. First one is a pain point ad. And what I mean by pain point ad is not some generic pain. It's not like some, man, this would be nice to have. This would be something that they'll pay for if it feels like convenient for them. No, like what keeps them up at night? That is the first ad you need to make hitting your avatar. What is the thing that keeps them up at night? Always start with pain point ads. They are the highest converting ads. I'm personally running over, I think, 35 pain point ads right now every single month. They absolutely print because if you talk to someone and it's something they think over and over and over again, they are more likely to convert because they understand that you understand their problem. And if you understand their problem, then you probably know what the solution is. And so what keeps your dream avatar up at night? What do they think about? Or what do they think about right before bed? Like literally, what do they think about? There's times in my business, man, where there's stuff that like haunts me at night. Like what if that happens with my closers? What if that happens with my marketing channels? What if that happens? There's always something that haunts us at night. What is it? What is it for your dream avatar? Like the guy that can actually pull out his wallet and pay you. So what's the one thing that would actually let them pull out their wallet and pay you that they want to solve the problem for? It has to be a big enough problem. So when you're making a pain point ad, it has to be actually a relevant pain that's repeated over and over again. And this is a little cheat code. Use Claude, C-L-A-U-D-E, right? I don't know about you guys. I use Whisper Flow for everything. You just talk in it, and then it just types out the paragraph. Sometimes it messes up. So use Claude. A little cheat code is use Claude to scrape every single one of your sales calls and find the biggest objections, limiting beliefs, and constraints that your ideal avatar has and talk to them directly. Use the similar verbiage. Like the same thing they say, use it in your own business or in your own top of funnel ads, in your own messaging, in your own content, and that will take your business to the next level because, again, why create verbiage or why create messaging when I could just get it from my ideal avatar? They literally said it in their exact way, and what you'll notice is there's a common theme. There's problems that multiple people are dealing with. Another thing with top of funnel ads, before I get to the next ad, is you need to understand the levels of awareness. There's unaware buyers, then there's problem-aware buyers and solution-aware buyers. This is the sweet spot for top of funnel, right here, problem-aware and solution-aware. You do not want to talk to the unaware people. I see so many top of funnel ads that are very generic, very like they're talking to the unsophisticated buyer that has no clue who they are, that doesn't even know if they have a problem, that doesn't even know if, like, they're just clueless. These guys are like degenerates. Like, you do not want to talk to unaware buyers. These are people that like want to start a business. That like maybe one day, maybe 2026 is the year they actually start doing the thing that you sell. No, we don't want those guys. Unaware people, they suck. Problem aware is, all right, it's a little deeper. Like, they are aware of, hey, if I want to grow, I have constraints. Solution aware is like, okay, I know the constraints, what the constraints are, and I know that the solutions are local Instagram ads or a content plus local Instagram ads, right? Whatever it is. And then product aware, whatever, most of this happens in the actual sales process, but this is where your ads need to be hitting on if you want to have really, really, really profitable ads. And so before I get into the next ad, your next ad should be another pain point ad hitting another angle, another proven angle, right? And so what we do is we help a lot of marketers, content agencies, videographers, and what they do is they help service businesses. So essentially you want to make these top of funnel ads that talk to these service businesses, and the second ad needs to be another really deep pain articulated in a different way. So one pain can be a lack of leads. Another pain can be, it could be literally like, dude, if you want to talk to more sophisticated buyers, you got to remember this. Like, I can go and say, hey, if you're a business owner here in town, I'm going to get a bunch of crappy leads. Or if I could say, you're a service business here in Boca Raton, Florida, that's finally starting, that's finally wanting to scale their business, but every couple weeks, it feels like a pain to pay your team, and payroll just feels exhausting, and you just feel like you can't ever get ahead. So now we're talking to someone that has team members, that is no longer a beginner, that is no longer whatever, and then your solution solves their problem. So more leads, more customers, more revenue, more brand awareness solves all of their problems, because the reason they're stressing to pay their payroll is because they don't have enough leads coming in every single day, right? And so second ad is a different version of another pain point ad. You should be hitting them from multiple different angles and attacking every little limiting belief and every little constraint. And I'm going to get into what this third one is, because this is the one that's like the cherry on top. And once they all click and they see all three ads, they convert. They convert extremely well. And so let me show you this. And again, before I get into the third ad, guys, none of this is theory. Like, let me show you this winners chat. We have a winners chat. This is all marketing agencies. There's almost 200 of them, 196 in here. Look at this. 6,500 down, 7,500 more contracted, $7,000 contracted, $8,000 contract. Look at this. Look at these deals you guys are closing. $7,500 deal. First deal, 2K deal, 6K paid in full deal every freaking day. 7.5K deal, 7K deal, 6K deal. Every day these guys are posting wins. Natalie, $13,000 day. We've literally cracked the code for marketing agencies, content agencies. Look at this. And this is what happens when you have a proven offer. Royal's client spent $5,000 in ads, made $204,000 out, and then Royal sold them on a $60,000 retainer. But again, absolutely, I could scroll for years. We've been doing this for years. Literally, we got this process down. Look at this. Reyes, $107,000 for the month. He actually ended the month with $150,000 for his marketing company. And so let me break down the third ad, because they all work together. Guys, this is a cheat code. Use Claude or Manus, I don't care what AI tool you use, to scrape your sales calls. All right, absolute game changer. Don't create pain points. Get them and then use them word for word. All right, the last ad, that blue one I showed you, is a social proof ad. These ads print, because what happens, and I'll break down. I'll even show you like what they look like. But the reason these print is because first top of funnel ad is planting a seed. Second top of funnel ad is like they're getting in a rhythm of seeing you more and more. The social proof ad, it hits them like a brick. They're like, okay, not only does his offer make sense, but this guy got X result doing it. Like, I need to talk to this company. I need to talk to these guys, right? And so absolutely crushes, because right off the bat, when the seed is planted, it's just like, boom, they are ready to convert. And so why they work so well. They're killer for converting both new and warm audiences because your top of funnel ads hit on their pain and they start thinking this might be for me, maybe. But when they see that it worked for someone just like them, it makes you an authority right off the bat. And this, again, when you run all these 3 ads to the top of funnel audience in your city, it's so easy to take over. And the win doesn't need to be massive. Leverage what you can. It could be a record month. It could be the client stating whatever. One cheat code for this, guys, is do this in person. Get a win with a client in person. And so another benefit of running local Instagram ads and building up your base and everything in one city is your clients are local. So you can always ask them like, hey dude, it's been amazing working with you. Do you mind if we get a case study in person? I'll throw in a few more edits or a few more whatever. I'll throw in some, whatever, you can give them a freebie. Here's what it looks like. This is what my client's Reyes. Reyes is doing over 150K a month. He started with me at $5,000 a month. Absolutely insane, right? And it's literally an ad that he's running in Austin, Texas. Look, he has 1,725 likes right here. He's gotten so many conversions from this one ad. And he's like, look, and then he runs it as a top of funnel. Service businesses here in Austin, follow at whatever. He joined, he didn't join, whatever. You could read that for yourself. I'm not going to read it. But again, this is an ad where my clients are standing with their clients and they're like, dude, this client made X amount of money in this amount of time frame, right? I have one on my Instagram with Luke, who's one of my top clients. And he went from 5K to $84,000 a month in 6 months. He did 250K last month. And so we have some crazy client wins. I'm not even saying you'll get remotely close to those wins. I don't know how good you are at sales. You might suck. You might be great. Who knows? But I do know this. When you have ads that are dialed in and a very attractive offer, you win 10 times faster. Literally 10 times faster. And so this is what these look like. These client win ads, you standing in front of your client, you talking about the pain point, and here's what the frame looks like. It's like, what's up guys? Or literally you call it the city. If you're a business owner here in Boca Raton, here's how my HVAC client, my contractor client, made $140,000 using a local Instagram ad that no one else is doing here in Boca Raton yet, right? But don't hear it from me, hear it from the man himself. And then your client starts hyping you up. Because whatever you say is BS. Whatever your client says and backs up is like truth, right? And so they need to back it up. One more thing I want to leave you with is do not be afraid to spend more money when your ads are working. Track your numbers. One of the biggest rookie mistakes I see, and guys, we've worked with 300 video agencies, videographers, content agencies, marketing agencies, 300 of them. One of the biggest mistakes I see them making is not tracking their CAC, their ROAS, cash ROAS, and revenue ROAS. This is very important. We can get into LTV and all that talk later, but this is very important to review this on a weekly basis because it will fluctuate so often and most people are making emotional decisions and turning off their ad as soon as they don't see a win within 3 days, right? You could get a sale within 2 days. You could get a sale in 2 weeks. But if your CAC is healthy, your ROAS is healthy, and your cash ROAS and contracted return on ad spend is healthy, who cares? Leave the machine running. Like these clients right here that are absolutely printing, again, like first sale, second sale, clients are winning, 6K PIF, like every freaking day. Look at this. Fernando is a marketing agency. He used to have a $2,000 CAC when he was going nationwide. He went local. He said, I only spent $750 in ad spend and I made $10,000. Right? He literally lowered it. And then Matthew's the guy that made $10,000. $10,000 paid in full. Right? Absolute game changer right here. This is what happens when you have this dialed in. And so hopefully this gives you a ton of value. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and if you're ready to scale, book in a call down below. Let's go.